But goddamn, you did the right move the fuck out the way. Cause if you didn't, you was gonna be gone. You're gone. You must have did some shit to Mother Nature for her to do some shit like that, or you did something to your wife, man. Cause how the hell a big ass screen TV is coming out of nowhere? First, he looks up and you see the shit's coming. So I guess it's coming from his roof. Shit's getting thrown out the car and everything. And all of a sudden, you see a big ass flat screen TV comes out of nowhere. Shit, you must have did some shit to Mother Nature for her to not to like you for the day, or your wife. Cause the way that TV's gonna slam on your ass will be cut in half like you got cut by motherfucker. What's some shit called? Like you just got cut in half like some salami or some shit. Brother man, you lucky as hell. Cause you would have been dead right now.
Yeah. They scared to come outside. Tell them boys they better pray. Tell them boys stay out the way. Tell them ain't nobody safe on my mama, on my gang. We gon' put it in they face. Yeah. They scared to come outside.
Niggas know we stepping 9 days. God know I'm stepping now and later. Until it hurts, it ain't no mercy, that's just how we made it. You heard that church up in my verses, cause that's how I'm raised. I told God he gotta forgive me, I'm insane, oh. Get down on my knees when I'm in pain, oh. Tired of the rain on my name.
I clean this blood off my Jesus, please.
Oh, Jesus, please. Can you feel my needs, yeah? Tired of fucking up, I'm